So, still on ear tuning, it's very important you know how to tune to match pitch. I've been saying that, I've been repeating that, and it just gives you a sense of control over pitch. And then you now know how to, when you've established that control over pitch, you now take it on to range coordination and range mastery. For example, if I want to find my range should be the spectrum of notes I can comfortably hit from the lowest pitch in my vocal measurement or vocal compass, what I call your voice compass, to the highest. Then, when you've established this, by training your ear repeatedly with some of these exercises I've already given, you now know, okay, how to balance between low, mid, and high. You don't just jump into the high. So I see some people, they want to go high and they'll say, your presence is heaven. You see, but if you understand tuning and you understand the balancing of your range, you know you're supposed, your, your presence. You see how I was able to blend into that range. I didn't just jump and started. I didn't just start like shouting. That will make it shouty and pitchy. So ear training also affects how you coordinate your notes, how you coordinate your sounds. So let's just touch some of the numbering exercise. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. 8, 7, 8, 6, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 3, 8, 2, 8, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. 8, 7, 8, 6, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 3, 8, 2, 8, 1. So still on the ear tuning exercises, we'll do, this one is on solfa notation, or solfege rather. So, fa, so, mi, re, do. So let's try it out. So, fa, so, mi, re, do. Go.
So, fa, so, mi, re, do.
Breathe in, out, go.
So, fa, so, mi, re, do. So, fa, so, mi, re, do.
Let's demodulate. Now, demodulating is going back to, you're modulating but downwards in a lower pitch. So, fa, so, mi, re, do.
So, fa, so, mi, re, do.
Yeah. So, fa, so, mi, re, do.
So, fa, so, mi, re, do. So, fa, so, mi, re, do.
Let's demodulate.
So,
So, fa, so, mi, re, do. That's the former key. Take note of how it sounds. So, fa, so, mi, re, do. So, fa, so, mi, re, do. So,
fa, so, mi, re, do. So, fa, so, mi, re, do. So, fa, so, mi, re, do.
Let's go.
Fa, so, mi, re, do.
Again.
So, fa, so, mi, re, do. So, fa, so, mi, re, do.
Okay, so let me take this one. So, fa, so, mi, re, do. 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 So you see, I'm going ascending, descending, and then I'm just hitting the intervals. So you train yourself, your ear begins to register, okay, how this movement works and how each of the transitions work. So, fa, so, mi, re, do. After me, go, say.
So, fa, so, mi, re, do. So, fa, so, mi, re, do. So, fa, fa so mi re do. So fa so mi re do.
So fa so mi re do.
So fa so mi re do.
So fa so mi re do. I'll go, then you come in. So fa so mi re do. So fa so mi re do. Come in.
So fa so mi re do.
So fa so mi re do.
So fa so mi re do.
So you practice these exercises, you keep going with them from the tone to tone, interval to the tone to semitone. It has a way of just improving your sense of hearing and relative pitch. Like I spoke about earlier, relative pitch is about hearing a sound, internalizing, and then vocally communicating that sound in the accurate pitch. So, having established the system for articulation, the resonance system, the power source, the sound source, we'll go on to the articulation exercises. We understand now that articulation has to do with how you communicate the sound and words. Okay, how you shape the sound using, in this context, Northern American English. So, I'll be giving you certain exercises to just help you with clarity in your communication so that you're able to understand, okay, the consonant flow, the vowel flow, diphthongs, and then how you also vary your vowels. I call it vowel variation or delayed phrasing, and then there's also vowel modification. So these are some of the concepts regarding articulation that we'll be touching.